This tutorial introduces ground improvement feature in Settle that allows users to specify reasons where they want to improve ground using Vibro-Compaction technique. First, we will start off by selecting Analysis, going to Project Settings. For stress computation method, we will use Westgard method with stress as metric and settlement as millimeters. Go to Stages, select the stages to 3, and change the name of the stage to or Embankments. Keep the horizontal soil layers for soil profile and make sure you have no groundwater analysis selected. Press OK. Now we will define a soil property, so select Soils. Go to Soil Properties. Name the first layer of the soil property as crust. Enter the unit weight of 19, Poisson's ratio of 0.3, K-naught value of 0.5. Select immediate settlement and change the value of ES to 15,000 and ESUR as 15,000. And make sure the primary consolidation option is turned off. We'll select Soil Properties 2 and change the name to Soft Soil. Change the unit weight to 18, Poisson's ratio to 0.3, K-naught value to 0.7. Select Immediate Settlement and change the value to 5,000. Same for ESUR as well. And make sure the primary consolidation is turned off. Select OK. Now we will define soil layers. Go to Soils. Go to Soil Layers. Insert layer below by selecting this button and change the thickness of the crust to 1 meter and soft soil to 90 meters. Press OK, and we will now add embankment load to this model. Go to Loads, Add Embankment. Here you will see the Embankment Designer dialog. Select 2 layers and change the base width to 56 meters. For the first layer, we will install it on stage 2 with left angle of 26.57 with height of 2 meters, 20 unit weight with 26.57 on the right angle. Layer 2, we will install it on stage 3 with left angle of 26.57 degrees, 2 meters of height, 20 unit weight, and 26.57 for the right angle. Select OK, and now we will assign the location at which this embankment is installed. On the right end of this window, type 0, 0 as the first coordinate, and we will select 0, 115.27 for the next coordinate. If you press F2, now we are zooming out to see our embankment that's been installed. Now we will assign a field point by selecting Grids and select Auto Point Field Grid. Keep the default values and select OK. Now we will assign a query point, which allows us to see a data of results. Go to Query and add query points. Select OK. And enter the coordinates 0, 57.635. Now we're ready to compute. Select Analysis, Compute. When you go to stage 3, now you will see that the total sediment calculated from Settle is 240 millimeters. Now we will assign a ground improvement and see how much improvement we get from Vibro-Compaction. Select Soils, Ground Improvement, Add Ground Improvement Region. Select Vibro-Compaction and enter the following data. We want to have the top depth at 0 meters, bottom depth of 3 meters, and assign crust as subject to Vibro-Compaction with D50 of 1.2 millimeters, DR target of 75% with alpha value of 15. And make sure soft soil is also subjected to Vibro-Compaction, and we will apply ground improvement before we install the embankment. Select OK, and select the edges of the embankment where we will be applying the ground improvements. Save the model. And now we will compute by selecting Analysis and Compute. Now notice our displacement has reduced to 215 millimeters by applying a Vibro-Compaction ground improvement. We can also carry out a sensitivity analysis by right-clicking on the quarry point and selecting Graph Ground Improvement Sensitivity. We will choose different parameters to vary. In this case, we will change the DR target percentage from 50% to 90% in an increment of 5 meters. And we will observe the behavior at the last stage of the installation. And what this allows us to do is it will show the change in the displacement as we have the changing in the values of the DR target for the ground improvement. Select OK. And now you will see the improvements in the total sediments of the ground improvement as the DR target percentage increases. Close the dialog, and you will go back to the model. Now we want to see the impact of the alpha value of our ground improvements. So right-click on the quarry point and select Graph Ground Improvement Sensitivity and select alpha and change the values from 5 to 30 with increment of 5. And we want to see the stage in 3. Select OK. Here you will also see that total sediment has improved significantly over change in the values of the alpha. This concludes the tutorial for Vibro-Compaction.